We just received a pop-up boat, which was invented in the 1891, so more than 100 years ago. And it is amazing because it's so simple. It's like just a candle below this boiler, and the steam will produce some popping noise like a real boat. And now we will convert it into RC. We will see now the needed parts for the RC conversion, how to build it, and finally a test run. What you need for the conversion is a small LiPo battery, extension cable, micro servo receiver, and of course your transmitter. Let's get started with the modification. This is what you find in the package. Drill 3 holes to keep the servo in place with a 2 mm drill tip. Screw the servo in place. Secure the servo cable in order to stay out of the flame of the candle. Make the candle stick shorter in order to build the rudder with the leftover material. I placed some nautical grease in order to have the contact a little safer. The receiver has a shorted antenna and is covered with plastic dip to make it waterproof. Insert the extension cable for the battery on any free channel and the servo plug in the channel 1. Secure also the battery cable in order to avoid contact with the flame. Put the battery on and you are done.